So Devon Larratt versus Artyom Morozov has been confirmed. But before we discuss that, let's take a look at this video.
Devon, how heavy are you right now? Currently weighing in. Yeah, okay, you're not gonna review that. Okay. My guess 290 something. Not quite. Okay.
But I think I'll be the biggest I've ever been when I compete.
So two important things Devon said here. Not quite there yet, and he will be the biggest that he has ever been. So after watching this, I would guess that Devon is somewhere around 280 pounds, and the biggest that he has ever been was against Monster Michael Todd in 2021, the first king of the table ever. There he weighed about 290 pounds or 132 kilos. And before someone corrects me by saying that it wasn't 132, it was 132.9 kilos. Yes, it was. But usually when Devon talks about his weight, he talks about his early morning weight without much clothes. And that king of the table weigh-in where Devon was 293 pounds was probably in the evening with food and with more clothes. So even if Devon is weighing 280 pounds now, I would say if we just consider the muscle mass, he may already be the biggest that he has ever been, because against Michael, Devon was looking fat. I would say fat by Devon Larratt standards. For a normal person, he was not fat at all. And now let's discuss the second statement. I will be the biggest that I have ever been. So is he planning on gaining 10 more pounds? Or is he already close to 290 pounds? And that's why he was saying not there yet. Maybe he's already 286, 287. If that is true, then Gennady is really going to be in some big trouble. Because the last time also, Devon was around 280 pounds and he was looking kind of skinny despite being that heavy. So he was already in a pretty good shape when he barely lost to a stronger version of Gennady. And now he's coming in much stronger. Robert Baxter revealed all of the super matches that have already been confirmed for East versus West 17. Engin's finalizing the main event card, but so far it's Devon versus Morozov. So finally, this left arm super match that we all have been wanting to see for a very long time is going to happen. Well, I shouldn't really say a long time, but the hype around this match was so much that it felt like forever. I am not saying that Devon didn't look impressive in that practice pull or practice match, whatever it was, against Morozov at East versus West. He looked good, his wrist looked solid, and I cannot say the same for Morozov. But just based on that, thinking that Morozov will lose this super match can be a big mistake. Morozov's left arm is pretty good. He can top roll too. He's not just a hook arm wrestler. If he was just all hook, maybe I would have said that it's nearly impossible to hook Devon. But he can top roll too. So that's why I'll say this match is on, and if Devon stops it, then it is going to be the best match of the night. Because there is no way that Devon will win this match easy, even if he wins it. And then we have John Brzenk versus Yoshinobu Kanai. You may have seen in one of my previous videos that I was not so excited when I heard about this match. Why? Because I want to see John Brzenk win, but I don't think he's going to win this match. Is it going to be one-sided? No. Only on the scorecard. Otherwise, it's going to look really cool, amazing, hard-fought battle, but I think Yoshi will win 3-0. But hey, who knows? John is definitely a lot weaker than what he was maybe 10 years ago, but his shoulder seems to be feeling even better than before. That's why he can smoothly transition into a shoulder press as we saw against Leonidas Arcona. So can he do that to the King's move as well? We'll have to wait and see. Dave Chaffee versus Georgy Svetkov. About 6-7 months ago, I for no reason said that Georgy Svetkov will lose to Dave Chaffee. Still, even if we consider that Dave isn't in his best form. At that time, there was no talks about this match, but this randomly came to my mind, and I think Dave can flop press through Georgy's top roll. I'm still sticking with that prediction which I made earlier. I think Dave Chaffee is a very slight favorite to win this match. Jerry Cadret versus Kamil Jablonski. So it looks like it was already confirmed when Kamil started calling out Jerry. This match was already in the talks for sure. Press versus press. who has the best press on the right arm? We'll have to wait until East versus West 17. Kamil is already the best presser on the left, but can he be the best presser on the right arm as well? Then we have Craig versus John Tyrion, Wagner Bortolato versus Evgeny Prudnik. This has to be a left arm match, an interesting one. If Prudnik can beat the Dikian, I don't know what he's going to do to Wagner Bortolato. Mindaugas versus Daniel Ustinov, Hunter Knopfs versus Valen Lowe. I don't know who Valen is, but these are the matches that have been announced so far. Thanks for watching, like the video, and I'll see you again.